Well, hello friends, and thank you so much for joining me here. I hope this finds you and your family well. It has been a whirlwind week for me. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I was waiting for my second grandchild, who was due actually on February 3rd. Well, she graced us with her beautiful presence on Sunday of this week. And so because of that, I've had my first grandchild since Saturday. And I'm actually surprised I was able to accomplish a video for you, an ideas from the heart video for you this week. So with her assistance, we made Valentine's Marmalade Shortcakes, and they are so cute and so delicious, and I look forward to showing you how we did these in a few minutes. I'll see you then. Bye for now. This is quite an easy recipe. It is a cup of flour. I think it's a third cup of sugar, 4 ounces of butter, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of milk. Just a little bit. You see how we're doing that?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yeah, we're doing it this way. Some holes. 2, 3. And the reason they're called stacks, it's basically a shortbread, and the bottom is we place marmalade on the bottom, and then on the top we place the other piece of cookie dough with the 3 holes in it, and we just bake them this way. Ta-da, indeed. I'm so glad we were able to accomplish this. Take a cookie. Take a cookie. Good? Yum. Wait. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.